guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be making some BFF charms using polymer clay. I feel like it's been forever and a half since I've done like a dedicated charm video like this. And I've been seeing a lot of comments that you guys would like to see one. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Also, a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below with the hashtag notification squad to be featured in my next video. And now, with that all being said, let's get started with today's video.
Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really cute BFF charms that will make amazing gifts. I'm not going to be doing a voiceover today because I'm not feeling too well and I really wanted to upload this video. So I apologize that I'm not doing a voiceover, but I hope you guys enjoy the video anyway. So I'm going to put some music on and you can see how I made all of these charms. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which charm was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.